What if I told you that living in a small house does not mean living small? In 2026, some of the most breathtaking homes on the planet are compact, open, and absolutely stunning. Whether you love the clean lines of modern architecture or the warmth of traditional design, today we are proving that small spaces can carry enormous elegance. Stay with me until the very end of this video because I am saving the most stunning design for last. And trust me, you do not want to miss it. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans, the channel where beautiful homes meet real budgets. Hit that subscribe button right now and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new design drop. And if you find value in today's video, give it a thumbs up. It helps more people who love great home design find this channel. Now let's get into it. Open concept living has completely transformed the way we think about small homes. Gone are the days when compact square footage meant dark, chopped-up rooms that felt more like a maze than a home. Today, architects and builders are using open layouts to stretch every single square foot, flood interiors with natural light, and create spaces that feel twice their actual size. And the best part, you can achieve this in both modern and traditional styles without sacrificing elegance or comfort. In today's video, we are walking through some of the most inspiring open-concept small house designs for 2026, covering both modern aesthetics and traditional charm. Let's get started. Why open concept works so well in small homes. Before we dive into the designs, let's talk about why open concept layouts are a perfect match for smaller homes. When you remove interior walls between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, something magical happens. The space breathes. Natural light travels freely from one end of the home to the other. Sight lines extend, making rooms feel larger than their actual dimensions. And the social dynamic of the home changes entirely. You are no longer cooking in isolation while your family is in another room. Everyone is connected. In 2026, the trend has matured significantly. Designers are no longer just tearing down walls and calling it open concept. They are being intentional about how zones are defined within the open space, using ceiling height changes, material transitions, lighting clusters, and furniture placement to give each area its own identity while keeping the flow seamless. This level of sophistication is what separates a good open concept home from a truly exceptional one. Modern open concept small house designs. Let's start with the modern side of the spectrum. Modern design in 2026 has evolved beyond the cold, minimalist look that some people found uninviting. Today's modern small homes are warm, textured, and deeply livable while maintaining that signature clean aesthetic. Design 1. The glass and steel compact pavilion. Imagine a single-story home sitting on a modest footprint of around 700 to 900 square feet. The exterior is a striking combination of black steel framing and floor-to-ceiling glass panels on the main facade. As you step inside, the entire living, dining, and kitchen zone opens up before you in one fluid space. Polished concrete floors reflect the natural light pouring in from the glass walls. The kitchen features flat panel cabinetry in a deep forest green, waterfall quartz countertops, and open shelving that doubles as decor. A floating island anchors the space and serves as both a prep area and a casual dining spot. The living area transitions naturally, defined only by a slightly sunken floor level and a large area rug in warm terracotta tones. There are no unnecessary decorations. Every element earns its place. The home feels curated, intentional, and effortlessly beautiful. Design 2. The modern tropical retreat. This design takes open concept living outdoors. At roughly 800 square feet of enclosed living space, this home extends its footprint dramatically through a covered outdoor deck that flows directly from the main living area through large sliding glass doors. Inside, the palette is crisp white walls paired with natural timber ceiling beams. The kitchen is tucked to one side with sleek handleless cabinetry and a dramatic dark stone backsplash. The living area faces the outdoor deck, blurring the boundary between inside and outside. This design is particularly popular in warmer climates and coastal regions, but with the right insulation and glazing technology available today, it is being adapted across different climates globally. The result is a home that feels impossibly spacious despite its modest size. Design 3. The Loft-Style Urban Micro Home. For urban lots and city living, the Loft-Style layout is delivering stunning results in 2026. A compact two-story structure of around 600 to 750 square feet uses the ground floor entirely as an open living, dining, and kitchen zone with soaring double-height ceilings. The bedroom is tucked on a mezzanine level above, accessed by an architectural steel staircase that doubles as a sculptural focal point. Large industrial windows bring in generous amounts of natural light. The palette leans into exposed brick, raw concrete, and warm-toned timber, creating a space that feels both edgy and cozy. This design maximizes vertical space rather than horizontal spread, which is a smart and increasingly popular strategy for small urban plots. Traditional, elegant, open-concept small house designs. Now let's shift to the traditional side. Because if you think open concept is only for modern homes, 2026 is going to completely change your perspective. Design 4. The Classic Craftsman Open Plan. The Craftsman style has never gone out of fashion, and in 2026 it is experiencing a major resurgence. This design takes a compact 900 to 1,100 square foot footprint and opens it up beautifully while preserving every ounce of traditional character. As you enter through the wide covered front porch into the main living area, you are greeted by warm stained hardwood floors, exposed rafter tails at the ceiling, and a stone fireplace as the anchor point of the room. The kitchen, positioned at the rear of the open space, features Shaker-style cabinetry in creamy white, brushed brass hardware, and a classic farmhouse sink. A large butcher block island connects the kitchen to the dining area with a casual, inviting energy. Natural wood details are everywhere, crown molding, wainscoting panels, and built-in shelving flanking the fireplace. This is a home that feels lived in from the very first moment, in the best possible way. Design 5. The Colonial-Inspired Compact Retreat. Colonial architecture is known for its symmetry, formality, and timeless dignity. In this design, those qualities are married beautifully with an open interior layout. The exterior presents a perfectly symmetrical facade with white clapboard siding, black shutters, and a classically proportioned front door framed by columns. But step inside, and the interior surprises you. The front rooms open into each other through wide, cased openings rather than traditional doorways, creating an open flow while maintaining a sense of architectural definition. The kitchen sits at the back, updated with soft gray cabinetry, marble countertops, and period-appropriate pendant lighting and antique brass. Wainscoting runs through the dining and living areas. The palette is soft, classic, and elegant, soft white on the walls, ebony-stained oak floors, linen curtains that pull gently at the base. This home tells a story of heritage and refinement while functioning like a completely contemporary space. Design 6. The Mediterranean Small Villa. This is a style that never fails to take the breath away. Imagine a compact, single-story home styled after the sun-drenched villas of southern Europe. Terracotta roof tiles, stucco walls and warm ivory, arched windows and doorways, and an interior courtyard that floods the open-plan living area with light and air. Inside, the living, dining, and kitchen zone flows around a central axis with the courtyard visible through large arched glass doors. Terracotta tile floors, wrought iron light fixtures, a plaster hood over the kitchen range, and hand-painted ceramic tile accents around the backsplash create an interior that is deeply sensory and undeniably beautiful. At around 850 to 1,000 square feet, this design is proof that traditional styles can be intimate in scale without ever feeling small or cramped. Design principles that make these homes work. Whether you prefer modern or traditional, there are consistent principles that make open-concept small homes succeed. And in 2026, the best designers are applying all of them. Natural light is non-negotiable. Strategic window placement, skylights, and glass doors are essential tools. The more natural light you bring into a small open space, the larger and more luxurious it feels regardless of its actual size. Vertical space is your best friend. High ceilings, mezzanine levels, tall cabinetry, and elevated architectural details all draw the eye upward and create a sense of grandeur that square footage alone cannot provide. Material cohesion across the open plan creates visual calm. When floors, countertops, and wall finishes are chosen with a unified palette in mind, the space reads as larger and more intentional rather than scattered or busy. Functional zones within the open plan matter enormously. Rugs, pendant lighting clusters, ceiling treatments, and furniture arrangement all work together to give each area its own character while maintaining the flow of the overall space. This is how you avoid the feeling of walking into one big, undifferentiated room. Storage is designed in, not added on. In small homes, built-in shelving, understairs storage, kitchen islands with deep drawers, and window seat benches with concealed storage are design moves that keep the open space feeling clean and uncluttered. The best design of today's video. Now, as promised, here is the design I have been saving for the end, and it truly deserves to close out this video. Design 7. The Japandi-Influenced Traditional Modern Fusion Home. This is the design that in 2026 sits at the intersection of two worlds and does it with extraordinary grace. Japandi is the design philosophy that merges Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian warmth, and when it is applied to a compact open concept home with both modern and traditional elements, the result is something genuinely special. The exterior of this home is modest and serene. Clean horizontal lines and natural timber cladding, a low-pitched roof with wide overhangs, and a restrained palette of charcoal, warm wood, and soft white. The entrance is marked by a simple timber gate and a narrow landscape path that immediately slows you down and invites you to exhale. Inside, the open plan is divided into 3 beautifully distinct zones. The kitchen anchors the rear of the home with handcrafted timber cabinetry in a matte warm gray, a thick slab of honed Nero Machina marble as the countertop, and a single deep ceramic sink. There are no upper cabinets. Instead, open shelving holds a curated selection of ceramics and cooking tools that double as art. The dining area sits in the center of the open space, defined by a long solid oak table and a single sculptural pendant light in washi paper. Natural light floods in from a full-height window on the north-facing wall. The living area anchors the front of the home with a low-profile linen sofa, a simple stone coffee table, and a built-in timber bench along the window wall. A small wood-burning stove set into a plastered surround serves as the room's quiet focal point. The floors throughout are white plank white oak in a matte finish. The walls are a warm off-white with a slightly chalky texture that absorbs light beautifully rather than reflecting it harshly. Ceiling beams and natural timber run the length of the open plan, referencing traditional construction methods while feeling entirely contemporary. At just under 900 square feet, this home is compact, but it does not feel small. It feels complete, intentional, and deeply calm. And that, in 2026, is the highest compliment you can give a home. Who can build these designs for you? Now if you are watching this and thinking, I want to actually build one of these homes, let me point you in the right direction. For the designs you have seen today, you want to work with a builder who specializes in custom compact residential construction and has genuine experience with open plan layouts. I recommend looking into firms like Deviel, which is known for sustainable prefab modern homes that deliver high-end design at controlled costs, or Deltec Homes if you are interested in a highly customizable approach with excellent structural integrity. For those leaning into the traditional styles like the Craftsman or Colonial designs, work with a local custom home builder who has a demonstrated portfolio and period-appropriate detailing. Ask to see their finished work up close because in traditional design, craftsmanship in the details is everything. For the Japandi Fusion design specifically, you want a builder who is comfortable working with a minimalist specification and who understands the importance of material quality over material quantity. Every surface in that home needs to be right. There is no room to hide behind decoration. We have covered a lot of ground today, from glass and steel modern pavilions to Mediterranean villas to the beautiful Japandi Fusion design that closed us out. Every single one of these homes proves the same truth. Small does not mean compromised. Small, done right, means thoughtful, elegant, and genuinely extraordinary. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a like right now. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who love great home design. Subscribe if you have not already, and hit that bell so you get notified every time we publish a new video. I drop new content every week covering the best in residential design, construction tips, and real homes you can actually build. Drop a comment below telling me which of today's designs was your favorite. Was it the modern glass pavilion, the Craftsman Classic, or the Japandi Fusion? I read every comment and I genuinely want to know. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. You are exactly the kind of viewer this channel is built for. I will see you in the next one.